Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and unlocking the device. This avoids interruptions while changing settings. Next, open Settings and go straight to Notifications or Control Center so you can see apps that push alerts. If you already saw an ad, long press it to reveal the app name. Otherwise, scan the app list for unfamiliar or recently installed apps. Once done, note the app and proceed to its notification controls. This isolates the source so you can stop the ads without disabling useful alerts. You now open the app's notification settings and turn off Allow notifications to stop all push ads or selectively toggle ad type channels like promotional or alert channels. If the app lacks visible notification channels, go to App Info and force stop it, then clear cache to remove queued ads. Make sure to also check permissions, revoke draw over other apps or pop-up permissions that let ads appear over your screen. Once complete, relaunch only trusted apps to confirm normal behavior. If notifications continue after disabling settings, remove the offending app entirely. Uninstalling stops ads at the source. You should run Play Protect or a reputable scanner to find other suspicious apps, then update Color OS and apps so exploits are patched. If the problem persists, reset app preferences to restore defaults without losing data. Make sure to back up first. As a last resort only, perform a factory reset. This cleans deeply but requires restoring your data. If stuck, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.